Are you trying to decide between Nextcloud and Immich? You are not alone. Both tools help you manage your files and photos, but they do it in different ways. Nextcloud is an open source platform that lets you store and share files securely. It's like having your own cloud service. You can access your documents from anywhere, and you can even collaborate with others. It also offers features like calendar integration and task management. On the other hand, Immich focuses on photo and video storage. It's designed for users who want a simple way to keep their media organized. With Immich, you can upload, view, and share your images easily. It's all about keeping your memories safe and accessible. Now, let's look at the main differences. Nextcloud is more versatile. It's great for file management and collaboration. Immich, however, is specialized. It's perfect if you mainly want to store and share photos and videos. When it comes to features, Nextcloud has a broad range. You can integrate apps for notes, calendars, and even video calls. Immich keeps it straightforward, focusing on media organization and sharing. It's user friendly, making it easy for anyone to navigate. Pricing can also be a deciding factor. Nextcloud is free if you host it yourself, but there may be cost for additional features or hosting. Immich also offers a free version, but some features may require payment. So, which one should you choose? If you need a full featured cloud service for files and collaboration, go for Nextcloud. If you mainly want to organize and share your photos, Immich is the better option. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.